Nothing replaces the human connection. My life's work is not just about being a successful retailer or a general manager or a CEO. It's about effective communication, public speaking. It's about leading my teams well by serving them, by never micromanaging people, and by empowering them to attain great heights with the right amount of Lakshmi, Durga and the Saraswati. And you can't fake it, dear, because people will know. Tell you a secret? Listen. Make your mess your message. Everybody's got something. Ill health, relationship issues, lack of financial independence. Fill in the blanks. I mean, it's not a tragedy. It's like people don't take time to ask, why was this placed in my path in the first place? What am I supposed to learn? Let me tell you the 3 life-altering turbulences of my life. When I lost my high-paying job pre-COVID, when I encountered a property fraud worth 60 lakhs INR and my savings were tumbling for 8 straight months. I was on this event opening stage with my new boss holding my hand, and I narrated the story in front of the whole crowd, sobbing like a child. When you show your vulnerability, you're actually showing your strength, not your weakness. And people will thank you for it. The secret to success is finding the message in your mess and connecting with people. You have a mess in your life? Fine. What's the message in it? Share it with the world and connect with them effectively and authentically. Success will definitely be yours, baby. Rest assured.